Hi traders, this is Aleks FX and I'm trading the Forex beginner strategy on the pound US dollar. This is a daily chart we're currently looking at. You can see a nice down move, big pop up here, and you can see we found resistance right here. Okay, so you can see the rejection coming off that level. And have a look at this key area over here. You see I held the support and we closed above, or big candle up. So I'm looking for price, and then obviously this level down here, sort of double bottom. So we're looking for price to kind of hold as resistance. See the 4-hour chart, big move down. Then we had this fractal up. So the trend is actually up, but we've hit key resistance. Now this rejection candle. Okay, so you see that spike in that rejection candle. Look at the hourly chart and look at the rejection. Nice bearish candles. Price is retraced and it's broken this down fractal to the 30-minute chart. And just have a look here. Big drop, and then we break this down fractal. So mark direction is down, and we just mark where the direction changes up. That's up here. Okay, so we're looking for selling opportunities. Have a look at the 5-minute chart. So what we've had, follow price here, we've had fractal broken to the upside right over there, and now you can see we've just literally had this broken fractal right here. So we've actually entered into a short position with that break. You can see the working order right there, 1 pip below that low, stop above that fractal tip. The target, let's have a look, we've got the daily R1, so we're actually well over board at the moment. See the R2 with a big move through the night. So we also got this M3 pivot below us. So I'm looking first at the R1 pivot. So let's have a look at some areas of support and resistance. We've got on the 30-minute chart this key level right here and these lows. So I want to just see if we do get a pop low. I want to see if we can clear through here. Back to the 5-minute chart. So price is starting to break down, and you see this area. This is the pivot. So this is where I'm looking to take at least partial profits, and then see if we can get a move lower. It's not much, it's about 12 less the spread, and then obviously down the lows, and then see if we can get a surge, because we're coming off the key level on the daily chart. That's what I'm interested in. We've also got this little trend line. You see we've broken and closed. You see the candle closed below this trend line, also just confirming that we've got some sellers in the market. Alright, so just step this forward here, and you can see on the recording we've got price just testing resistance here. Okay, see how price has rejected that wick, showing signs of weakness. Okay, but we need to see price close. You see this area of support, we need to see a close below here. This is a bit of a tricky one in terms of price action. You see it was trading below, now it's above. It's just holding a support, so really need a decent close below this level. 5-minute chart, see this level right here, we need to see a surge lower. Alright, so we've got a potential fractal forming here. I'm going to look at trying to get some risk out as soon as this candle closes, at least get the risk right down. So you see that close, now we can get some risk out of the trade. So at least reduce some risk. It hasn't really got going like I thought we would see this move. See this little close down here. Now we need to see price close below this little level of support. So we're currently up about 3 pips. It's a really slow market. Alright, so we're getting down here, and we've actually just sort of zoom this right up. We're getting right into this pivot area, so we're about 7 pips up. So I'm going to take partials here. The market's just very, very slow this morning. I would have really thought we would have got moving already. Look at taking half this position off at what are we at, 7. Alright, so we've taken off half the position at 7 pips there. So we've got half of the position to run. We've managed to reduce a bit of risk on the trade. So we'll see what happens here. See these key levels below us. Nice little close below the level like that, but we're right on the daily R1 pivot, and we've still got this key level below us from the 30-minute chart. Need to see this here holding a support. Need to see this level hold this resistance here. If you're going to take a leg down. Alright, so this is not looking good at all. We've closed back above this level and we're now pushing up towards our stop. Market is very, very choppy here. I think we're going to take a surge higher. See our prices just at this stop out area. It's just really the spread keeping us in at the moment. Alright guys, so there's the trade outcome. You can see the first position took half off at that pivot, and then price stopped us out on the remainder of the positions. You have dragged it onto the chart. So we took basically worked out it was plus 7 on half and then minus 14 and some change on the other. So it came out at minus 7.5 pips. So recap, 30-minute chart was down. So we're looking for selling opportunities. The 5-minute chart, we started to retrace. We had the fractal broken to the upside and then a break to the downside. Target was R1 first of all, and then we were looking down toward that M3, but just did not happen. So thank you for watching. My name is Aleks FX, and I will see you next time.